Hi, I'm Ryan Tomlinson with Pineapple Labs, and today we have 220 Osceola Street listed by Jim Loftus and the Workshop Group. This contemporary, one-of-a-kind home is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath in Denver, Colorado, just outside Sloans Lake. This 4,000 square foot home features an open floor plan, chef's kitchen, large island, professional-grade stainless appliances, and solid hardwood flooring. Enjoy mountain views from your balcony just off the master, as well as a roll-up door in the living room, which invites indoor-outdoor living and high-end designer finishes, all within 2 blocks of Sloans Lake, and just minutes from downtown. And all this for $1,449,900. Let's check it out. So here's the main focal point of the home, and it's beautiful, the chef's kitchen. It comes with professional grade stainless steel appliances, 2 fridges, a beautiful Italian stove, and an oversized island to be able to entertain your guests. The cabinets tie in perfectly with the floors, and this really is one of the pieces that ties the whole home together. It's beautiful. So here at the front of the home, you have a beautifully located office. It's really open. Now with people working from home more than ever, this is a really important space. With this home being located in Colorado, you really want to be able to take advantage of the outdoors. That's why you move here. And that's why you have this living space, to take advantage of the indoor-outdoor living. Now this staircase may actually be my favorite part of this house. These exposed beams are just beautiful. You don't get them in every single house. And this staircase just really pulls the whole house together, giving it that really open feel. This rustic style is something that is really, really popular now. Now we're up on the 2nd floor, and we can see what these high ceilings, that it really makes for a special space. Let's go check out the master bedroom. So now we're here in the master bedroom, and as you can see, the lighting coming through here is just phenomenal. You actually have a view of the mountains that you can see from the window, or you can just walk out onto your balcony to be able to see it. You have 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom that has 2 vanities, an oversized shower, and a bathtub that is just out of this world. So now we're down in the basement, and as you can see behind me, we have a beautiful wet bar here, which is for more entertaining. You also have a 5th bedroom down here, and a lot of open space for a game room or whatever you're really looking for. This space is really an entertainment zone. Definitely a place to enjoy. Thanks again for checking out 220 Osceola Street here in Denver, Colorado, just outside Sloans Lake. This contemporary home really is one of a kind, 5-bedroom, 5-bath, just 4,000 square feet. If you're interested in this home, contact Jim Loftus at the Workshop Group. These guys really are some of the best builders in town, and this property is really only going to go up in value because this location is hot.